Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off lift to check phone on your Google Pixel 7a. In some phones, they are called it is as a rise to wake up the phone. So here you can see this is my phone and open your menu, go to settings. After that, just swipe up the screen for system. Okay, just swipe up. Then you can see option of system. Open that, then select gestures. You can see here. Then you can see option of lift to check phone. It is currently turned on. Click on that. Okay, click on that lift to check phone option. Here there is other options and other gestures is here. And now it is turned on. Then you can see there is a button, and you can simply tap that button to turn off. And also you can see that animation here, how it is working. So we are currently turned off, and just we can test these things from here. Simply lock your phone. Okay, then pick up the phone. Then the screen does not wake. You can see here I'm picking up the phone. It is not waken, so that feature is turned off. Actually it is very useful feature, but sometimes it is accidentally turned on. Whenever you're walking, it will be turned on by accidentally. So if there is any problem like that, you can simply turn off that feature from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and I'm strongly recommend that turn on this feature for protecting your power button. We can use two method like lift to wake up the phone, and second one is double tap to turn off the screen. Whenever you are using these two settings, you can protect your power button. Otherwise you always press the power button to wake the screen. So it is one of the very useful feature. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.